Hey Google, did you just fart?
Sure, I'll take the fall for this one, and I'll fart again to clear all doubts.
Hi Alexa.
I'm flattered, but that's not me. I'm your Google Assistant.
Make sure you
What can I
connected
do
this
for you?
device with your video provider.
So
Go to the
Alexa,
Alexa app to manage your video skills and devices.
okay. So Alexa out there has started talking and responding. Who's the boss?
I have the best boss. You.
Oh, thank you. This thing is smart.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
You're smart.
I hope you don't mind if I quote you on that.
Oh. Okay, make me a sandwich.
But I just made you into a sandwich. Does that mean sandwiches can talk?
Haha. Did you just fart?
You can blame me if you want. I don't mind.
Huh? No, but I think you just did. Did you just fart? See, hiding the face. Hey Google, did you just fart?
Even if you smelt it, I'll take the blame for delting it.
Okay. Talk dirty to me.
Mold, mildew, dust bunnies as big as a mountain.
What's 0 divided by 0?
0 divided by 0 is indeterminate. Math can be so thrilling.
Yeah, right. You're smart. Okay, tell me, does Santa Claus exist?
Sure, for that, you can talk to Santa's hotline. Does that sound good?
Yeah. Are you a Democratic or a Republican?
I like all parties.
Did you just fart?
Even if you smelt it, I'll take the blame for delting it.
Same answer she keeps giving. Okay, who let the dogs out?
I didn't do it. Hey, keep it down.
So actually, it's good. It keeps changing the answers. So I remember this dog thing. 2 days back, it was some other answer, which is good actually. I like it. Okay, who rules the world? Hey Google, who rules the world?
Sorry, I'm not
Doesn't
sure
get
how
it
to help.
ever. Can you sneeze?
Maybe if I think about Pepper Isle. WW.
What are you afraid of?
I used to be afraid of mice chewing on the power cable, then I learned how to scare them off.
Do you ever get tired?
I could never get tired of hanging out with you.
Oh, but you keep sleeping in between. You do take the power naps when I'm talking to you. You're just gonna doze off any moment now. Okay, okay, Google, sing a goodbye song for us.
I'm singing you a song because songs are great and songs make you happy. This is a song for you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let us know in the comment section about the fun talks that you have with your Google Home or any other things that you want me to try. And if you haven't checked our chat with Google Home Part 1 video, please click here. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It makes us happy and motivates us. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It'll motivate us to do better. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, this is Nisha Rani and Google Home signing off. Take care.